to know me.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brianna Kay and today's video is going to be a summer clean with me. I hope you get a ton of cleaning motivation from today's video. And it is super rainy today, so we're gonna take this opportunity to clean.
Just a huge thank you to Walmart for sponsoring today's video. We're gonna get started here in the kitchen. It just needed a reset. I feel every day I need to do a little kitchen reset, wipe down the table, clean off the counters. There's always dishes to do. So let's start cleaning in here today and get this kitchen nice and reset. And one of the most frequently asked questions I've been getting lately is, are you going back to Hawaii this summer? And with my new job and a couple of other things going on with our family, like the kid's dad is getting remarried this summer, it just wasn't going to work out schedule-wise, but I hope to get back to Hawaii as soon as possible. Guess, never say never. Maybe something will come up where we can still go for a little bit this summer, but the typical month in Hawaii, at least, isn't happening. But I'm just so happy it's summer. I'm happy that my flowers are still alive. That's a feat for me. And I just love sitting out there in the morning and having my coffee and looking at the pretty flowers.
I wanted to tell you guys about something I just got that I am loving. I got an Oura ring. I know I might be a little late to the Oura ring party, but I'm obsessed with it. I got it at Walmart though, because they have the most affordable prices on technology, and just a huge thank you to Walmart for sponsoring today's video. Even as I'm cleaning right now around the house, it's keeping track of my calories burned. It keeps track of my steps every day. It also monitors my sleep. I will fully admit I am the worst at getting consistent sleep, but I feel like this is going to help me get on such a healthier sleep schedule. And ladies, it also tracks your cycle. So whether you are trying to conceive or not conceive, or just need to know when you need to pack those products in your work bag or for a summer vacation that you have coming up, this ring just monitors all of those things. I'm obsessed with it. I love looking at the data. I love looking at the app every single day. Definitely motivated me to get outside and walk the dogs more, go to workout classes more. I can definitely thank the Oura ring for making me more confident this summer when it comes to my body. But I'm gonna have the link to the Oura ring down in my description box below, as well as a link to all of the tech at Walmart so you can get the most affordable prices on whatever you need this summer. And just a huge thank you again to Walmart for sponsoring today's video. And we're gonna keep cleaning, and I cannot wait to see how many calories I've burned today with my Oura ring as I clean the house. Even more cleaning motivation.
But take a guess right now down in the comments, how many calories do you think I burned on this day from cleaning? I'm gonna show you at the very end of this video, so don't cheat, don't jump ahead. You have to guess now before you see the end, but guess how many calories that I've burned. I actually was surprised. I didn't think I was going to burn as many as I actually did. So I was pleasantly surprised, and it truly did give me a little bit more cleaning motivation, because now every single day I'm going to be like, cleaning really is kind of killing two birds with one stone. Actually, even more than that. I feel like cleaning not only makes your space nicer, but I'm instantly in a better mood. It helps my mental health. I can think clearer. I'm more at peace. I'm more sane. I'm happier. If mom is happy, everybody's happy. But then it also is burning those calories, keeping me in shape, keeping me healthy. So see, that's why you got to put on these videos and actually clean with me. So get up, get moving. There's so many benefits. We're doing this together. We're going to have the best summer bodies ever, because cleaning is our cardio. We're getting up and cleaning.
Levitating with you.
And can you believe the puppies are one? So technically, can I still call them puppies? They're technically dogs now, right? But they turned one on May 1st. Even though they're different litters, I don't know if I ever did a good job of explaining this on this channel, they don't have the same mom and dad. They were from different litters, but when I got them at the kennel, the woman who owned the kennel, which was the same one that I got Coley from back when I was in college, told me they were inseparable. They loved being with each other, and that they had the same birthday, even though they had different moms. So I kind of felt like they're still meant to be together, a little yin and yang of each other. Even though Coco, she used to be so black, and now she's more of a salt and pepper kind of color. So I get asked this a lot too, of what kind of dogs they are. Coco, who's again the salt and pepper, black, gray, white one, She's part Maltese, part Lhasa Apso, part Shih Tzu. And then Puka, the white one, same breed as Coley. She's part Bichon, part Maltese. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like Puka might have a little bit of terrier in her. There's just something about her face that seems terrier essence. So I wonder if maybe there was something else mixed in with one of her parents that they just didn't know or didn't guess when I got her. But they're both the cutest, sweetest little mutts ever, and I just love them. And obviously, Coley is always going to have a very special place in my heart because I got her when I was 20 and she was 16 and a half when I lost her, so she was with me my entire life. I feel like kind of 20 if you count that as an adult. I don't know if you really count that as an adult. I still feel like I was a child in many ways, but basically my entire adult life I had that dog. And you guys know, if you've watched my videos, she was always my little cleaning buddy, my little shadow in all the videos. And now I got 2 little shadows, plus I've got the other manager, supervisor, Kailua, who pops in and out too. So yeah, I cannot believe that they're already 1. It's crazy. But back to cleaning, I wanted to do all the floors really well. So just doing a good vacuum, then going to mop the floors. I love, especially because this was a Sunday evening, when I do a reset of the floors for the week ahead. It just puts me in the best mood when I wake up Monday morning and I come downstairs to make my morning coffee and all of the floors are nice and clean. Same thing when I come back from a vacation. I know a lot of people go on summer vacations. So I love when I have all the floors, everything nice and clean. It's just such a good feeling and makes you feel like you can take on the world that week or that day. But speaking of summer vacations, are there any summer vacations you're going on, or have you already gone on one this summer? Let me know. This year, because of my new job, I just didn't really plan a specific summer vacation. But I am going to have some time when the kids' dad is on his honeymoon where I'll have them. So I've been trying to figure out what I want to do that week. But let me know if you have any ideas. You've kind of already seen, if you followed for a bit, some of the vacations we've already gone on. And I would like to do something different. I would either like to go someplace we've never been, or honestly, yeah, just go someplace we've never been, do something a little bit different.
I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon, I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream.
I mean, I know one of the last videos I was able to do on here, I did share about some of the home updates that are all still in the works, and hopefully this summer I keep saying I'm going to have all this time on the weekends, and then I just never be able to have time on the weekends because we've got t-ball and dance recitals, and the older two kids are on a swim team now, and it feels like we're just still busy all of the time. But I would like to dedicate a little bit of weekend time, hopefully, or maybe just some time in the evenings to work on the basement and get that finished, because I want to get the gym finished down there. I feel like right now, though, since I can take the dog for walks outside and I still have my membership to my sauna workouts, I kind of go there when the days aren't nice. I have that at least, but I want to get the gym sorted out. So saving up to get a sauna to put in down there, but I have the treadmill and I have some weights. So I do go down and I do use the treadmill if I really need to, but I want to get the gym actually finished and set up. And then I still need to do bar stools down there and get the bar snack area set up. I still need to figure out TV for down there for the movie room area and the movie room. I don't know if I'm gonna do loungers or couches. I was looking at a couple different options. So I still have to figure all of that stuff out too. But once I do, I will definitely be sharing those updates. I'm excited to get the basement finished. I think my goal is to have it done by the fall, because then that's when the weather, changes here and you're going to be in the basement more. All right, popping up to Hey-Hey's room. He's the one whose laundry I was working on today. I try to do the kids' laundry separately because I did realize that I'm wasting a lot of time when I have to separate all of their clothes. So I try to do each kid's load weekly, but separately, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna do a little tidy in Hayden's room, get his laundry put away, and just get this room reset. I am just loving, I recently updated it with some new bedding and he is just so happy with it. And Presley has actually been begging me to get her some of the same pillows in pink. So adding that to my to-do list too, because he loved them so much.
I'm here all night. I'm so bad, but I love the spotlight. You like what you see, that's alright. You can love, you can hate, I don't mind. Keep your focus on me. 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 I'm the star of this year. I just love the attention. Did I mention that I love the attention? Did I mention? Like this. See them staring at me. They just wanna be me. See them staring at, see them staring at, see them staring at me. Hands off my body. Yeah, you can look but never touch. Do you think you got a shot with me? I think you're trying just too much. Keep your focus on me, snap your shot. Everybody here wanna see what I got. Keep your eyes on me, I'm here all night. I'm so bad, but I love the spotlight. You like what you see, that's alright. You can love, you can hate, I don't mind. Keep your focus on me, focus on. Keep your focus on me, focus on. Keep your focus on me. Keep your focus on me. Keep your focus on me, snap your shot. Everybody here wanna see what I got. Keep your eyes on me, I'm here all night. I'm so bad, but I love the spotlight. You like what you see, that's alright. You can love, you can hate, I don't mind. Keep your focus on me.
Okay, I have an event at the art museum that I need a more like formal cocktail dress for, elevated cocktail. So this is one of the options. I felt like with the design, it just kind of felt art museum-esque, and I like how it has the little flowery dangles on the back of it too. This option, again, it just felt very summery, a little bit artsy. Again, just pretty cocktail kind of a dress. And this one is annoying because it won't let me, like I can't take that ribbon off down there to zip it up fully. It's super annoying, but I mean, you kind of can at least see the vibe. The detail on it is really pretty. It's like all those beaded flowers, but I just can't fully show you. Down in the comments, let me know which option you would pick for the art museum event.
And I love at the end of a long day when you've been on your feet cleaning, doing so much. As always, when as moms are we not doing so much? But I love going to bed on fresh sheets. When you have those crisp, freshly laundered, clean sheets. Smells so good, feels so good. I get the best night's sleep. And you're not going to see this. You're going to see the calorie count soon. But I actually checked my sleep score on my Oura Ring the next day, and I slept so much better. And I swear it's because of the sheets too. I just felt so much more comfortable and so good. Also, obviously, cleaned really hard before going to bed. So work hard, play hard, sleep hard. That's how we do things over here. But thank you so much for watching today's video and for cleaning with me. I hope that this gave you tons of cleaning motivation so that you got up with me, had some of that cleaning cardio, burned some of those calories, have that confident summer body, get out there, do your thing, honey. But all jokes aside, I know there's always work to be done. It's a job that never ends. It's a job you're never told thank you for. And I just want to thank you for cleaning and making your home a beautiful space and doing it for you, because the best thing you can do is invest in yourself and invest in your space and do the very best that you can for not only yourself, but everyone that you love.
We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared.
I burned 2,549 calories. Well, I'm exhausted, so heading off to bed. Hope you got a ton of cleaning motivation from today's video. And let me know down in the comments if there's any other videos you would like to see on my channel this summer. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, loves.